What guys? I have not uploaded yesterday's applications. I think I have uploaded all the documents of yesterday. Okay. Did I not upload yesterday's document, guys? Class content. Class content. Where is that? Spring. Not spring. Yesterday's notes not uploaded, guys. Tell me. Spring MVC. All three not uploaded, huh? Okay. Yes, boss. Okay, I'm uploading now first. Upload files. Here is my Hibernate. NTHB412. March 10th. Upload file. Class content. Class content. సార్ చెప్పండి చెప్పండి సార్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను స్ప్రింగ్ ఎంవిసి నడుస్తుంది సార్ ఇంకా టైం ఉందండి ఒక 10-15 days తర్వాత ఇవ్వండి రైట్ 15 days తర్వాత ఇవ్వండి 15 days తర్వాత ఇవ్వండి సార్ ఓకే Hibernate guys 412 bulk operation that is over it seems. Next, what is there? Design patterns. Yes. Design pattern implementation guys. Done. Yeah. Now focus on today's content. Okay. 614. Let it be. File open. Class content. Yeah. This is the application, guys. File save as. March 10th, we are busy only developing application, Babu. We didn't write anything. Okay. Yeah. Business delegate, ServiceLocator application. Business delegate, ServiceLocator application. Got it? Got the point, guys? Come on. Business delegate, ServiceLocator application. I think yesterday we completed controller servlet view component except this result page. Except this result page, remaining all components are completed. Come on, guys. Completed or not? Remaining all components are completed, guys. So shall we get into the discussions now? Yeah, where is this? Delegate, guys. Delegate over. Now SRC main web app. Right click on the web app folder. New JSP file. show underscore stock underscore details dot JSP. Say next, say finish. Yeah, tell me in controller servlet, what are the model attributes, guys? In the controller servlet, what are the model attributes? Where is controller? Here is my controller. Main controller servlet. Yeah. Stock details VO. Request dot set attribute stock details VO here. Here is my what? Stock details VO. Super, boss. Yes, boss. Get the rate pays. At the rate pays. Is EL ignored is equal to false. Is EL ignored is equal to false, guys. Is EL ignored is equal to false. Yes, boss. After that, what next? Yeah, what is this? If you aren't interested, you can use JSTL also, guys. Okay, if there, display it. If not there, don't write the error message. But to use JSTL, first of all, I should add JSTL related jar file here or not? Build path, configure build path. Come on. Build path. Where is there? Configure build path, guys. Yes, boss. Deployment assembly, boss. Not deployment assembly. Let me add the jar. Build path, class path, guys. Add external jars. Add external jars. E-drive. Tomcat. 10.x. 10.x we'll take a 9.x. What is the target server we have taken? 10.6. Okay, fine. Okay, here what is the JSTL related jars? Web apps, examples, web INF, lib, guys. I want to see them move to what? Web INF/lib folder. Okay, how to make them moving to lib folder, guys? Add build path entries, finish, apply and close. Apply and close, guys. Nice, boss. Okay, now I want to use them. C:choose. C:choose. First of all, I have to import the tag library. First of all, I need to import the tag library. Come on. Super. What is this? @tag lib. URI is equal to. Where is this? Core. Prefix is equal to C. Prefix is equal to C. C:when. What is that, guys? C:when. Tell me here. Dollar, open floor bracket. Tell me, guys. Dollar, open floor bracket. Tell me what is that? Main controller servlet. Stock details. Okay. Stock details not empty. Okay. Not empty. Not empty stock details. Not empty stock details, guys. C:, when test dollar not empty stock details, guys. Tell me here, what is this? C:, otherwise. H1 style, color : red, text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. Tell me, guys, record. What is that? Stock not found. If that's this is a stock not found. Yeah, if found, guys, if not empty, what should I do? Table tr border is equal to 1. BZ color is equal to CR. Border is equal to 1. BZ color is equal to CR. TH open, TH close. TH open, TH close. Stock ID. Stock name. Array, so many details are there, Babu. Okay, so many details are there. Now I have to write one by one. Fine, we'll write. Okay, company. What is there, guys? Company. Tell me next. Stock value. Stock value. Next. What is that? Listed on. Listed on. Next. Listed on. Next one is what? Listed on. Listed on. After that, what is the next story, guys? Verified on. Verified on. Verified on. Next. Next 1 year. Next 1 year value. Next 2 years value. Next 1 year value. Next 2 year value. Next 3 year value. Next 3 year value. What is next one, guys? Change percentage. Yes, you are right. Change percentage. Super, guys. What percentage, guys? Change percentage. Yes, okay. If you write heading row, that is not enough, guys. TR this. TD, opening and closing. Teasing. Percentile. stock details dot percentile stock details dot stock ID. अरे property names रा बाबू. Stock details dot stock ID. अरे not empty stock details na. Why it is giving error then? Okay, let it be, boss. Stock name. Stock details dot stock. Stock details dot company. Stock details dot listed on. Okay, stock value. Stock details dot listed on. Verified on. Next to 1 year value. Next to 2 year value. Next to 3 year value. Change percentage. Change percentage. Stock details is not a resolved value. Why so? Yeah, instead of this, I think to read from request scope, this is better. Expression language is better. Yeah, we'll work with expression language, guys. No, scriptlet not required. Actually, when you run, that error will go off, but got it, guys? Nice, boss. Otherwise, this scriptlet tag 9, that is the expression language, guys. Expression language. Uh, it will search for this object and this attribute in the request first page scope, not their request scope. If they reads it, if not their session scope, they are also not their application scope. If they are also not their application scope, it will happily verify in multiple scopes, guys. Okay, at the end of all these things, we should have BR. Okay, H1 style, color colon red, text hyphen align center. Okay, home. This one. ये href. What is there, guys? ये href. Okay. Gokte, only Angular is enough. Okay. Gokte, Angular is enough. No need of learning React. If need is there, then only learn. Angular you prefer. Tell me, guys, ye href. What is the name of the JSP, guys? Get underscore stock underscore details dot JSP. Anchor tag. Say paste. Get underscore stock underscore details dot JSP. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Business delegate service locator app. Business delegate service locator app. Right click, guys. Run on server. Say next. Remove all. Finish. Okay. Stock name. Stock name. SBI. Arey, we have SBI na in our list. Arey, what happened to submit button, Rao? What happened to submit button? Without submit button, how can I give request? How can I give request? Input na. Here is input, guys. Fine. Okay. Say refresh. Yeah, we have a SBI, guys. We have SBI. Oh, not found. Why so? Go to it. Where is the problem? Property next 1 year value not found. Okay, ID details view. Next 1 year value not there. Go to view class object. Next 1 year stock value. What I have written here? Next 1 year value I have written. Next 1 year stock value. Next 2 year stock value. Next 3 year stock value. Next 1 year stock value, 2 year stock value, 3 year stock value. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. What is this? SBI. What's the problem? Next 2 years, 2 year is not there. 2 years is there. Actually, 2 years. 3 years. Okay, 3 years. Still refresh. It came now, boss. Came or not came? Service locator and business delegate. Let me give the feeling. Okay, one business method, one SessionFacade method is internally calling three methods, three external service methods. Okay, that feeling I have to give by writing SOP statements. Go to external component one, guys. Go to external component one, systrace. This one. This one. Systrace, this one. Systrace. Right, boss. Okay, SessionFacade. But let's go to business delegate. Let's go to controller servlet, guys. Here is my do get method. Systrace. From there it goes to business delegate. Systrace. Done. Main controller servlet delegate. Extension 3, service locator, SessionFacade, stock all details, viewer.java. Come on. Where is service locator, guys? Service locator, I'm not finding anywhere. Service locator, where are you? Yeah, everything is done. Now you understand the application now, guys. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Run on server. Say finish. Say this. Cooper. Came or not came? Say home. SBI. Home. ICICI. Stock details. Tell me. Legrand. Not there. Oh, error should not come. Sir, why it is happening? When exception raised, are we forwarding to error.jsp? Did we develop error.jsp, guys? Go to controller servlet. Where is controller servlet, boss? Controller. Yes, here is my controller. Yeah. If exception comes, we have to go to error.jsp. So shall I give error.jsp, guys? Okay. Go to SRC main. SRC main. Web app. Here is my JSP file. Error.jsp. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. What guys? Say next, say finish. At the rate pays, guys. What guys? At the rate pays. At the rate pays. Is EL ignored is equal to false. What is that? Is EL ignored is equal to false, guys. Is EL ignored is equal to false. Tell me. H1 style, color colon red, text hyphen align center. Tell me. Okay. Internal problem, try again. Internal problem. Okay. Try again. BR. href get underscore stock underscore details dot jsp. Again, I am asking you to go to home page. Again, I am asking you to go to home page. Yes, save it, boss. Yes, save it, boss. Clear, my dear? Okay. Yes, boss. Yeah. Now let's run the same application, guys. Run on server, guys. Say next, guys. Save. Internal problem, try again. It's coming now, boss. It is not there, Bob. It is not there. When it is not there, this is the story. Or if you want, you can write something like, but ultimately exception raised, guys. When null values are there, if you call the method, you will get null pointer exception. That exception we are catching and we are handling here. That exception we are catching and we are handling here, guys. Yeah. Now I need to give the code of ServiceLocator and SessionFacade. I don't give the code of any other component, guys. Max to max, I'll give SessionFacade component code, ServiceLocator code. Where is service locator code, guys? Here is my service locator. Service locator. Service locator component code. Service locator component code. Generally, it is developed as Java, singleton Java class. Generally, it will be developed as singleton Java class. Nice boss. Business delegate, guys. Okay. Business delegate interface, guys. Wow. Business delegate interface. Business delegate interface, business delegate IMPL class. SessionFacade interface. Right, boss. No, listen, what are the important things I should highlight, guys? What are the important thing I should highlight? Yeah. In SessionFacade, the way it is talking to all the three external components should be highlighted. Nice. Next. In ServiceLocator, the way it is getting SessionFacade object reference and keeping in what? Internal cache. Okay. Should be maintained. Next. In business delegate, the way we invoke service locator object, calling, yes, and the process of converting DT to VO should be highlighted. DTO to VO should be highlighted. Got it? DTO to VO should be highlighted. Got the point, guys? Understood, guys? Come on. Right click, team, share project, save finish. Yeah, service locator plus business delegate. What, guys? Business delegate. Done. Yeah, what are the projects I have not shared, guys? Let's complete pending work today. Okay. Yeah, configure, save, push ahead. Push ahead. Tell me here, what is this? Business delegate, service locator. Yeah, this one. Business delegate. Team, share projects. Done. Okay. Yeah, this is for business delegate, guys. This is for business delegate component. Yes, with this, that is completed, guys. Shall we go to next level discussion, guys? Okay. Yeah, before, actually, I have to start SessionFacade design pattern. But before that, I must talk what is the difference between synchronous communication and asynchronous communication. What is the difference between synchronous communication and asynchronous communication? Got it, guys? Come on. Shall we start analyzing the things, boss? Come on. What is the difference between synchronous communication and asynchronous communication? What is synchronous communication? In client server communication, okay, if client application is blocked to generate next request, if client application is blocked to generate next request or to perform client-side operations, to generate next request or to perform client-side operations, guys. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Until the given request related response comes back. Until the given request related response comes back to client. Client application. Okay. Then it is called synchronous communication. Okay. The default client server communication is what is that, guys? Synchronous communication. Is it synchronous communication? Asynchronous communication. Definitely synchronous communication. Let's see, guys. This is my client. This is my client application. This is my server application. This is my client application. This is my server application, guys. Okay. Synchronization is different. Synchronous communication. Client has given request to one. Client application, server application. Server application generates response. This is my request to one. This is my response. Client is free to generate next request. Client is free to generate next request. Okay. Client is free to generate next request, are free to perform client-side operation only after given request related response comes back to client from the server. Response comes back to client application from the server. Yes, boss. Here are my client-side operations, guys. Here are my client-side operations, like reading from keyboard and etc. Okay, tell me here. This is A. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is A, B, C. Then only he can do either D operation or D operation. Okay, guys. Sir, when it is useful? Array, the response one data is input to request one. If the response one data is input to request to, then this communication is very, very useful or not? It's very, very useful or not? Come on. Okay. If the request one related response one data is input value to come on. Okay, input value to the request to input value to the request to input value is request to, then prefer going for synchronous communication. What, guys? Synchronous communication. Yes. Examples, guys. where we can see the synchronous communication. 90% of default client server communications are synchronous communications. %90 client server communications are client server communications. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Browser to web server. Browser to web server. Understanding my statement, guys? Sandeep K, if all patterns are JTW, why they are used in Spring? Good question. Because Spring is also developed on the top of JWE technologies. Come on. Okay. Spring is also one JWE framework now, boss. Alternate, developed based on JWE technologies. Given alternate for JWE technologies. Remember that, guys. Browser to web server or web application. Browser to web server or web application, guys. Browser to web server or web application. Yeah, next one. Interaction between two Java application using sockets. Using sockets, guys. Come on. Okay, Sandeep K, JWE patterns must be implemented using JWE technologies. It's impossible to implement Spring. In Spring, we have Spring patterns. Got it? For example, in Spring, we say service class. Understanding my point? Some of the JWE pattern will be implemented in Spring, but Spring pattern cannot be implemented in JWE. Got it, guys? Got it? I don't mind teaching in Spring, but in Spring, all are ready-made now, boss. Front controller is there. You have a ready-made front controller, right? View helper is there. Already view helper is implemented. Already some patterns are already there in Spring level, right? Interaction between two Java application using sockets, guys. Tell me, what are the example for synchronous communication, guys? Okay. Right, boss. Yeah. Next one, asynchronous communication. Asynchronous communication. In client server communication, if client is free to generate next request, and free to perform client side operation without waiting for given request related response, then that communication is what? Asynchronous communication. What, guys? Asynchronous communication. Okay. Yeah. The communication between browser and web application through AJAX is asynchronous communication. Using AJAX is asynchronous communication. So we need to use some additional technology to achieve that asynchronous communication between browser and web application. Got it or not? Got it or not, guys? Tell me here, what is this? In client server communication, when it is useful. If given request related response is not so suitable for what? Next request or next operation, then we have to go for what? Asynchronous communication. Got it, guys? Request one related response output is not input value to request two. If request two related response three, then it is not a asynchronous communication. Got it or not? Yeah. In client server communication, if the client application is free to generate next request or free to perform client-side form validations, to perform next request are free to perform client-side operation without waiting for given request related response. Given request related response, then that communication is called, what is that? Asynchronous communication. Then that communication is called asynchronous communication. Example. Examples, guys. Browser to web server. Browser to web server. Come on. SMS comes under people to people communication. It's not computer to computer communication, guys. Come on. Browser to web server using the support of ASX or JTA. Using the support of ASX or Atlas. Using the support of ASX or Atlas. Okay, is called browser to web servers communication. Yeah, tell me where else you can see asynchronous communication, guys. Interactions in chat messages. Interaction with the messages. Yes, boss. Tell me, browser to web server using support of AJAX or apport. Okay, needs what? Is called synchronous communication. Interaction with message servers. Interactions in Chagin using messages. Understanding my statement, guys? Array, nowadays AJAX is not directly used, guys. It is incorporated with it. It is incorporated with what? jQuery, Angular kind of thing. We don't use AJAX directly, but AJAX is there direct. Okay, boss. Web application development using portals. Web application development using portal and etc. guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? So these are the various places where asynchronous communication will be utilized. What is the diagrammatic representation, guys? This is client application. Okay. Request one. What is that, guys? Request one. Okay, client is free to generate next request. Next request or next request or another. Your client application is free to generate next request or to perform client side operation. Or to perform client side operation or to perform client side operations, guys. Everyone understood my statement, boss? Come on. Yeah, this is number B. Number A. Response is next request. This response also come dynamically, guys. This response also come dynamically. This is what? Asynchronous communication. Client generated request, but it is free to generate the next request. It is free to perform client's operation without waiting for given request related response. That concept is called asynchronous communication, nothing but AJAX. And to implement asynchronous communication between client and server, we take the support of Ajax. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on, got the clarity? Super. I'll link this synchronous communication, asynchronous knowledge in tomorrow's session by introducing message delegate design pattern. Message